Artificial intelligence is no longer some futuristic idea. It's here, and it's already transforming the way we live and work. But with progress comes profound changes that affect us all. Will you be ready? Let's start with the facts. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report, by 2030, a staggering 22% of current jobs will either disappear or fundamentally change. That's not in some distant sci-fi future. That's less than 5 years from now. Think about it. 5 years ago feels like yesterday, but the next 5 years could redefine what work even means. And no, this isn't just about losing jobs. It's about what gets created too. But let's focus on the harsh reality first. Which roles are most at risk? Jobs like clerical and administrative work, retail cashiers, and customer service representatives are being hit the hardest. Why? Because automation is faster, cheaper, and in many cases, more reliable. Self-checkout machines in stores? Just the beginning. Over 200,000 of them were installed globally in 2023 alone, saving corporations billions while eliminating countless jobs. AI-powered chatbots now handle customer service, and some companies, like Duan, have replaced 90% of their support staff with AI, proudly announcing an 85% cost reduction. It's not just cashiers and clerks. Assembly line workers are being replaced by robots, and data entry jobs, once a stable office role, are disappearing as AI completes hours of repetitive tasks in mere seconds. For truck drivers, autonomous vehicles threaten an entire industry. In the US alone, millions of truckers rely on these jobs to support their families. And this isn't just happening in America, it's global. But here's the thing, not all jobs are doomed. In fact, there are certain roles that AI simply cannot replace. Jobs that rely on creativity, empathy, and complex decision-making will thrive. Educators designing innovative ways to teach, mental health professionals providing emotional care, and artists using AI as a tool rather than a replacement are all examples of human-centric careers that will remain essential. The good news? AI is also creating entirely new opportunities. By 2025, it's estimated that 97 million new roles will emerge globally. Roles like AI specialists, cybersecurity experts, data analysts, and renewable energy technicians will become some of the most in-demand careers. For industries like logistics, agriculture, and even healthcare, AI is creating hybrid roles that combine technology with traditional expertise. Imagine overseeing a fleet of autonomous trucks or using AI to enhance precision farming. But here's the catch. These new roles require skills that many workers don't yet have. Coding, AI ethics, data analytics, and renewable energy systems are no longer nice-to-haves. They're becoming necessities. And here's where it gets tough. Not everyone has access to the training needed to make the leap. In lower-income regions or underserved communities, the barriers to reskilling, like lack of internet access or funding, are real. Governments and corporations must step up to ensure that the opportunities AI creates are available to everyone, not just the privileged few. There's another angle we can't ignore: the ethical and environmental impact of AI. Data centers that power AI consume massive amounts of energy, adding to the global carbon footprint. At the same time, concerns about algorithmic bias and data privacy are becoming harder to ignore. AI isn't just a tool, it's a force that needs to be used responsibly. So, what can you do? First, don't wait. Lifelong learning isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's the key to staying relevant. Online platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, or free resources from tech companies can help you get started. Whether it's coding, renewable energy certifications, or cybersecurity training, the tools to adapt are out there. But time is running out. Second, demand change. Workers and families shouldn't be left behind. Governments and corporations have a responsibility to ensure that the AI-driven future is one of opportunity, not exclusion. The next 5 years will determine whether AI becomes a tool for human empowerment or a force that deepens inequality. AI doesn't have to replace us, it can work with us. But the window to act is closing fast. This isn't just about jobs, it's about people, families, and the future of our global economy. The stakes couldn't be higher. Will you be ready? If this video has sparked something in you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't miss our next video. Have you aged out of the job market? What you can do to stay in the game.